These are the questions for what is a budget? You should answer this after you have read the text, what is a budget, or scanned the QR code to listen to the text, what is a budget? Number 1, what is a plan for how to spend and save money? A gift, B, a budget, C, a company. Number 2, the article lists a sequence of steps you can take to follow a budget. What is the first step? A, figuring out how much money you have to spend. B, cutting down on spending to help save money every week. C, writing down what you spend money on each week. And number 3, based on the information in the article, why might a person want to save money? A, to buy something special. B, to answer questions about spending. C, to receive an allowance.